Hello friends, welcome to Bankers platform. So friends, this video is regarding the notification that you can register for CAIIB exam and it has started from today. So if you want to pay the normal fee, then you have to register from 1st to 7th. From 1st to 7th April there will be normal fees, and if you are registering from 8th April to 14th April, then you have to pay a fee that is 100 rupees extra than the normal fee. And when you are registering from 15th April to 21st April, then you have to pay 200 rupees extra fee than the normal fee. So friends, don't pay extra fees if you are ready for CIB exam. So you can start the exam and prepare for the exam, because it is very important. You can get increment in your salary, and also it is good for your promotion also. So this is video for all of you. Thank you friends, thanks for watching, have a nice day.